Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *##, *372733, ###. And now, as you can see, you can perform a variety of tests here. So let me test, for example, the brightness. And it's working correctly. Then let's pick the vibration. Let's click on start. So I heard 3 vibration. Then we've got also the speaker test. Or a receiver. You can also test keyboard, USB, proximity, multi-touch, G-sensor, OTG and all the others, also GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, fingerprint and all the others. So just pick the one that you need to test and enjoy it. So that would be all. This is how you can test your device. It's enough to enter the secret code and then you can test all the features in your Nokia 7 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.